everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. We're back with another video. This time it's on super duper banging wing liner. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do my fabulous super snatched wing liner using tape, an eyeliner pen, felt tip. If you want to learn how to get wing liner like mine, just keep on watching. Okay, everyone. So this video is only about eyeliner. So I got my tape on already. I put it on. I'm going to show you really quick how to put it on, or like just how you want to set it. I usually will go, I'll line it up to my brows because I want to see how like far out I want to blow out my eyeshadow, or how far out I want my eyeliner to be. I'm going to be using Beauty For Real Finish Line Felt liquid eyeliner in the color Jet Black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see how far out I want my eyeliner to go, and I don't want it to go further than the blue or the dark. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to outline so I'm going to go, this is where I want it to start, and drag down. Once I've gotten a kind of clear outline, I'll go to drag it out a little bit, and I'm going to color on the tape. It's okay to color on the tape because you're just going to peel it off, and that's what's going to give you this sharp, clean cut. With felt tip, the nice thing is that because they are so flat, you can kind of like stamp it and it'll make like a nice clean line. Kind of stamp and drag. And then you're just gonna go in. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit or not be so wet, and then I'm gonna peel. Okay, now let's see how it turned out. Let's see how much I messed up. Oh, you know what? Not even that much, girl. Look at that. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and that way I can show you guys the final look, how it looks with lashes and everything done. So, be right back. I'm so happy with how my makeup turned out today. I didn't think it was gonna come out this snatched, to be honest. Like, I thought it was gonna be like regular, schmegular type. But girl, I was like, bitch, who are you? Where'd you come from? Hey now. Are you here to stay or what? But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you in my next one.